Beneath the vast canopy of the sky, our planet hums with a symphony of life, color, and mystery. From the jagged peaks of snow-capped mountains to the shimmering expanse of coral-strewn oceans, Earth is a masterpiece of contrasts and wonders. Every corner of the globe holds a story, ancient forests whispering secrets of millennia, deserts glowing under endless suns, and rivers carving paths that have shaped civilizations. To explore Earth is to step into a living gallery, where nature's artistry and power leave us awestruck, reminding us that the world we inhabit is both fragile and extraordinary. Antelope Canyon is a remarkable natural wonder that draws people from around the world due to its unique and dramatic appearance. Formed over thousands of years by the persistent forces of water and wind, the canyon is a narrow, winding slot where layers of rock have been smoothed and sculpted into flowing, wave-like shapes. This geological artistry gives the canyon a surreal, almost fluid quality, as though the stone itself has been frozen mid-motion. One of the most striking aspects of Antelope Canyon is how light interacts with the space. Sunlight filters down from above into the narrow openings, creating dynamic beams and shifting highlights that change constantly throughout the day. These light effects bring out a wide range of colors in the rock, from warm reds and oranges to softer pinks and purples, and they can transform the canyon's mood from calm and serene to intensely vibrant. Visitors often describe the experience as deeply moving, not only because of the canyon's beauty but also because of the quiet, almost sacred atmosphere inside the narrow passages. The combination of natural sculpture, changing light, and tranquil space makes Antelope Canyon feel like a living work of art, one that reveals new details and emotions with every step. Banff, Canada is a place where nature feels powerful, immersive, and deeply calming all at once. The landscape is dominated by sweeping mountain ranges that seem to rise endlessly into the sky, creating a constant sense of wonder and scale. Crisp, fresh air fills every breath, and the environment is shaped by vibrant blue waters, thick forests, and open stretches of land that feel untouched and timeless. The quiet is striking, broken only by wind, water, or the distant movement of wildlife, which adds to the feeling that this is a place governed by natural rhythms rather than human urgency. As the day unfolds, light transforms the scenery again and again, casting long shadows, illuminating peaks, and softening the land in subtle, shifting colors. Each season brings its own personality, from peaceful snow-covered winters to lively, sunlit summers, making the experience feel new every time. There is an undeniable sense of balance here, where adventure and stillness exist side by side. Banff invites reflection as much as exploration, offering a rare chance to slow down, feel small in the best possible way, and reconnect with the beauty of the natural world. Cappadocia, located in the heart of Turkey, is a region celebrated for its dreamlike terrain and deep historical roots. Its landscape, sculpted over millennia by volcanic activity and wind, stretches across rolling valleys filled with towering rock forms that appear almost sculptural in their elegance. These natural wonders create an atmosphere that feels suspended between reality and myth, especially as light shifts throughout the day and casts ever-changing shadows across the terrain. Beneath this dramatic surface lies a maze of underground passages, carved chambers, and age-old shelters that speak to the resourcefulness of the people who once sought refuge and community there. The region's long tapestry of civilizations has left behind layers of cultural richness, visible in its traditional crafts, local customs, and enduring architectural styles. Today, Cappadocia remains a place where history, geology, and culture intersect, drawing visitors into a landscape that feels both ancient and enchantingly otherworldly. Coron in the Philippines is a breathtaking tropical destination celebrated for its crystal-clear turquoise waters, dramatic limestone landscapes, and extraordinarily rich marine biodiversity. Its natural beauty feels almost untouched, as if preserved in time, with towering rock formations rising sharply from calm, glassy seas that reflect shifting shades of blue and green throughout the day. The interplay of sunlight and water creates a constantly evolving scene, where colors deepen, soften, and shimmer depending on the hour. Beneath the surface, an equally captivating world unfolds, where coral reefs flourish in intricate formations and marine life moves in a delicate, interconnected ecosystem. This underwater environment is not only visually stunning but also deeply calming, offering a sense of immersion that draws people into a quieter, more reflective state of mind. One of the most remarkable aspects of Corinth is the profound sense of tranquility that surrounds it. The atmosphere feels unhurried and expansive, encouraging visitors to slow down and fully absorb their surroundings. Without the constant rush of modern urban life, time seems to stretch, allowing each moment to feel more intentional and vivid. The gentle lapping of water, the distant echo of natural sounds, and the wide, open horizons all contribute to a feeling of peace that is both rare and deeply restorative. It is a place where doing less often leads to experiencing more, where simply sitting and observing can be as meaningful as any activity. This sense of calm is closely tied to the way of life in Corinth. The local culture reflects a deep connection to nature, shaped by generations who have lived in harmony with the sea and land. There is a strong appreciation for balance, sustainability, and respect for the environment, which can be felt in the overall rhythm of daily life. Visitors often notice how interactions feel genuine and grounded, with a warmth that comes not from formality but from sincerity. This human element adds depth to the experience, transforming it from a purely scenic destination into something more personal and memorable. At the same time, Corinth offers a quiet kind of adventure that unfolds gradually rather than all at once. The landscape invites exploration, not in a rushed or overwhelming way, but through small discoveries that feel intimate and rewarding. Whether moving across the water, observing the textures of the rock formations, or noticing the subtle changes in light and color, there is always something new to take in. The environment feels dynamic yet balanced, offering variety without chaos and excitement without noise. This makes every experience feel unique, shaped by timing, perspective, and attention to detail. As the day progresses, the atmosphere continues to evolve, often becoming more reflective as evening approaches. The sky softens into layers of warm and cool tones, mirrored by the water below, creating a sense of quiet closure. These transitions bring a deeper stillness, inviting moments of introspection and appreciation. When night falls, the absence of heavy artificial lighting allows the natural darkness to settle in, creating a calm and expansive environment. The stillness of the night, combined with the subtle sounds of nature, enhances the feeling of being removed from the distractions of everyday life. Beyond its physical beauty, Corinth offers something less tangible but equally powerful: a shift in perspective. It encourages a slower, more mindful way of experiencing the world, where attention is given to small details and simple moments. The clarity of the water, the openness of the landscape, and the quiet consistency of nature all contribute to a sense of mental and emotional clarity. Many visitors find that their time there is not only relaxing but also grounding, providing space to think, reflect, and reconnect with what feels important. In essence, Corinth is more than just a place to visit, it is a place to experience deeply. Its appeal lies not only in its striking visuals but also in the atmosphere it creates and the feelings it evokes. It blends beauty, stillness, and subtle adventure into an experience that feels both calming and inspiring. Long after leaving, what often remains is not just the memory of what was seen, but the sense of peace, presence, and connection that was felt. In this way, Corinth leaves a lasting impression that goes beyond travel, offering a reminder of the value of slowing down and truly engaging with the world around us. Marrakech, one of Morocco's most captivating and culturally layered cities, offers an experience that reveals itself slowly, with each moment adding a new layer of understanding and appreciation. Known for its warm red tones and sunlit streets, the city has a distinct visual identity shaped by natural materials and centuries of history. The buildings seem to glow under the light, while narrow streets and open spaces create a balance between movement and stillness. There is always something happening, people walking, talking, working, and gathering, yet there are also quiet moments where the pace softens and the atmosphere becomes calm and reflective. The city's cultural identity is deeply rooted in a blend of Berber, Arab, and African influences that have come together over generations. These traditions are not simply preserved, they are actively lived and practiced every day. Language, clothing, music, and daily routines all reflect this strong sense of heritage. Storytelling, music, and art remain important forms of expression, connecting the past with the present. Craftsmanship plays a major role in this cultural continuity, with skilled artisans dedicating years to learning their trades. They create detailed and meaningful works using techniques that have been passed down over time, producing items that are both useful and beautiful. One of the most striking aspects of Marrakesh is its rich sensory environment. The city engages all the senses at once, creating a deeply immersive experience. The air is filled with a mix of scents, including spices, herbs, and freshly prepared food. Colors appear everywhere, in fabrics, painted designs, and everyday objects, forming a vibrant and dynamic visual landscape. Sound adds another dimension, with voices, footsteps, and music blending together to create a constant background rhythm. This combination of sights, sounds, and smells gives the city a unique energy that feels both intense and welcoming. Food is an essential part of life in Marrakesh and reflects the city's diverse cultural influences. Meals are often prepared slowly, using fresh ingredients and carefully chosen spices to create rich and balanced flavors. Sweet and savory elements are frequently combined, resulting in dishes that are both comforting and complex. Sharing food is an important social activity, bringing people together and reinforcing strong community bonds. Hospitality is highly valued, and generosity is often expressed through the act of offering and sharing meals. Social life in Marrakesh is shaped by strong connections between people and a deep sense of community. Daily interactions are often warm and expressive, with conversation playing a central role in building relationships. There is a natural rhythm to life, where busy periods are followed by quieter moments of rest. This balance allows the city to feel lively without being overwhelming, offering both excitement and calm depending on the time and place. At the same time, Marrakesh continues to evolve as it adapts to modern influences. Contemporary art, fashion, and new ideas are gradually becoming part of the cultural landscape, blending with long-standing traditions rather than replacing them. This creates a dynamic environment where innovation and heritage exist side by side. Younger generations, in particular, contribute to this change by finding new ways to express identity while still respecting the past. The atmosphere of Marrakesh is shaped not only by its physical surroundings but also by the way people experience and interact with it. The city encourages exploration, whether through observing daily life, engaging in conversation, or simply taking in the environment. It is a place where contrasts exist in harmony, where old traditions meet new perspectives, and where energy and calm are both present at once. Over time, Marrakesh leaves a lasting impression on those who experience it. Its depth comes from the combination of history, culture, and human connection that defines it. Rather than revealing everything at once, the city invites patience and curiosity, rewarding those who take the time to understand its many layers. It is this sense of richness and complexity that makes Marrakesh not just a place to visit, but a place to truly experience and remember. Do you want to see the most unreal places on Earth? Watch this video right here. There's so many places out there that look completely unreal and feel almost impossible to believe are real. You're about to see some of the most insane ones. Don't miss this. You won't regret it. See you there.